Well, hello all my friends out there on YouTube, Facebook, wherever you might see this video. I'd just like to share a song with you. This is one that my son and I, Timmy, used to sing together. Today is the 7th anniversary that I lost my son due to a fatal car accident. And I'd like to just share this with you. And also I'm doing this for my son Timmy. I love you, son. And this one's called Cats in the Cradle. My child arrived just the other day. He came to the world in the usual way. There was planes to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away. He was talking before I knew, and as he grew, saying, I'm gonna be like you, Dad. No, I'm gonna be like you. Well, the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue, man in the moon. When you're coming home, Dad, I don't know when. We'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. My son turned 10 just the other day. He said, thanks for the ball, Dad, come on, let's play. Can you teach me to throw? I said, not today. I got a lot to do. He said, that's okay. As he walked away, well, he smiled every time and said, I'm gonna be like him, yeah. No, I'm gonna be like him. And the cat's in the cradle and the sun is blue. Little boy blue, man in the moon. When you're coming home, Dad, I don't know when. We'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. Well, I came from college just the other day. So much like a man, I just had to say, son, I'm proud of you. Can you sit for a while? He shook his head and he said with a smile, all I'd really like, Dad, is to borrow the car keys. See you later, can I have them, please? Well, the cat's in the cradle and the sun is blue. Little boy blue, man in the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when. We'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. I've long since retired, my son's moved away. I called him up just the other day. I said I'd like to see you if you don't mind. I'd love to death if I could find the time. You see, my new job's a hassle and the kids have the flu. But it's sure nice talking to you, Dad. It's sure nice talking to you. As I hung up the phone, it occurred to me, a girl just like me, a boy just like me. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue, man in the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when. We'll get together then. We'll all have a good time then.